When I think of Kensington, I think of a close-knit community, an all-round lifestyle hotspot, positioned on the doorstep of the CBD and have quality period homes available. However, very rarely do we get homes of this quality offered to the marketplace. My name's Jason Watts Buyers and I welcome you to 41 Barnett Street, positioned right here in the heart of Kensington. It's a brilliant period home, got a long list of quality features which are highly sought after, but very rarely get found in the marketplace. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this fantastic home has to offer. Extended style with irresistible charm. With its captivating mix of timeless period appeal and contemporary flair, this freestanding Edwardian presents an outstanding lifestyle opportunity of quality, versatility, and Kensington prestige. The home's surprisingly spacious interior comprises 3 large bedrooms, stylish central bathroom, and separate powder room. Light-filled open-plan living dining area with vaulted high ceilings, complemented by a superb timber cabinet kitchen with stainless steel cooking appliances and Miele dishwasher. Add to this a fabulous mezzanine style study area, plus a simply delightful back garden with extensive brick paving and high fences for added privacy. A blissfully quiet location central to everything Kensington has to offer, village cafes and shops, choice of 3 train stations on 3 separate train lines, Racecourse Road trams and restaurants, local schools, Moonee Ponds Creek, and hectares of open parklands all close by. Perfect city edge living. There you have it, guys. What a brilliant home. Ticks a lot of boxes. It will be open for inspection twice a week throughout the course of the marketing campaign. However, if it is more convenient, feel free to contact myself to arrange a private viewing. Once again, my name is Jason Watts. I look forward to receiving your inquiry and assisting you with all of your property needs.